Hello everyone, this is AK's Anna here, and guess who came out with their new song? I'm so excited. As you guys know, I am a huge TAEYEON. I love Girls' Generation. My nails are pink right now. I am representing my TAEYEON pride right now. I honestly love Girls' Generation. And I really loved TAEYEON's solo album. So when I found out that she was releasing another song, I was just, yes, like throw it at me, TAEYEON. Okay, so with that, I'm just gonna jump right into this because I've been waiting for this. I saw the teasers, it looked great. Apparently it's like a jazzier sound, so I'm looking forward to this. I'm jumping right into it, let's go. Ooh, starting off with this aesthetic right off the bat. It was too early in the morning for me to get hit, TAEYEON. TAEYEON! I can't even say anything. I am just like under a trance right now. God, she looks like a little pixie. TAEYEON the house fairy. Oh my god. This is everything I wanted and more. Oh my, oh look TAEYEON, we have kind of matching earrings, yeah. Oh my god. I think I like her better with her hair, like, oh, okay, this is very like Tumblr aesthetic. I like her better with her hair, yeah, in these scenes where she has it off to the side. It makes her look a little older. Very hipster. But you know, that's TAEYEON style. And it looks great on her. It really does. I just want to plop down on the ground and just chill out with her. Like, come on, TAEYEON. You don't like to do anything and I don't like to do anything either. Let's be best friends. Oh, that is so cool. Oh no, don't ruin the book! Oh, it brought back the color. Okay, sure. Oh my god! God damn, why must you do this to me? You see that puddle right there? That's a puddle of my tears. She has drained me of my tears after this God-sent song that was beautiful. Thank you, SM Station. I just want to thank TAEYEON's parents for giving birth to her. I want to say thanks to SM Entertainment for training her and for putting her in Girls' Generation. Whoever thought putting TAEYEON with R&B/jazz, that was... TAEYEON Taeyeon is a blessing, okay? Like, in terms of music video production, obviously I is the better video because they obviously invested more money and time into that. But I really liked the set of this music video. It was very, like I said, very Tumblr aesthetic, like very sparkly, very, I don't know, just very hipster. I liked it though. It had a really nice like ambience to it. Taeyeon didn't do much. Taeyeon in reality doesn't do much either, so she just kind of likes to lay around on the sofa at the dorm. So they just kind of dolled her up a little bit, and they're like, just do what you usually do, Taeyeon. But I don't blame her. I'm the same way. Like I said, I just want to plop down next to her on the sofa and just be lazy together, be BFFs. Song was 50 out of 10. Would listen to for the rest of my life till I die. Probably play at my funeral. That was great. Besides, because Kim Taeyeon ruins my life. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like or a comment. Tell me what you thought. Did you like it as much as I did? Are you crying along with me?